Okay, so hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is a general love reading for Leo singles for the rest of the month of July 2026. Keep in mind this is general, this might or might not resonate. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. Will find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Leo, your current energies regarding love and relationship. Let's see. We have the Seven of Wands and the Strength card and the Queen of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Wands. So this seems like a very heavy and burdensome kind of a deal to you right now at this present moment. Love and relationship seems like something that makes you feel like if you're going to be with somebody, you have to take the responsibility. You might lose your independence, you might lose your freedom, and it might not even be worth it. So you are just trying your best to save yourself, hold back your energies, save your energies from connecting or reconnecting with anybody. Right now you are not ready and not feeling this strong desire to be with anybody in that way. Right now you're super focused on your own stability, your own groundedness, your money, finances, your long term goals in your life apart from relationship area. And you guys are trying your best to not to get involved in such things where you are not ready to give your time, effort, and energy into. So it's like something about love and relationship is making you feel like not a good idea to deal with anybody at this point, because all you're going to get is heavy and burdensome kind of energies back. So what's the use of even trying? Hmm? So and plus you have other responsibilities or other things in your vision right now that you guys are working on, that you guys cannot leave or cannot abandon for love. Nice. Let's see what are your energies for a new person, new connection, new bond, Leo. I have the Hermit card, the Nine of Swords, and the Emperor. Bottom of the deck is the Five of Wands. Yes. Let's say, for example, if you are going to start connecting with somebody, or you are going to feel like, okay, you should talk to them, it's going to convert into a very conflicting kind of stressful kind of energies very soon, because you are going to start talking to somebody, then you are going to forget about them, and or the vice versa is also possible, and that is going to create a lot of rift and tension in your energy field, and you are going to feel like, okay, you should just keep your mouth shut, you should just keep doing your own thing, and you should take the charge of your life in your own hands and not allow anybody to make you feel left out or make you feel like an option or something. So even if you're going to connect with somebody, either you are going to stop talking to them, you are going to be like, okay, ghosting them after talking to them for some time, and or the vice versa, and that is going to make you feel like you are truly not ready to be with anybody new, at least right now. Let's see from the oracle your energies for this new person, newborn, new connection. We have the retreat. It's time to just disconnect from the world right now. Leo, this is the time for you guys to disconnect from the world and take care of yourself, your no your own needs, your desires, your wishes, your own happiness. Or maybe you should just take a break from stressful energies of your life and sit with yourself, take time for yourself, and spend time with yourself as much as you can, because right now you might not be ready for that kind of connection, that kind of even friendship kind of a bond where you have to give something out of your energies, because right now you are not ready. Right now you just need a break or need your own space. Okay, let's see what are your energies for past person, past situation. Now the past can represent a past lover, it can represent a friend that you had connected with, or at some point of time. The past can represent any kind of connection. It's basically somebody that you already know. So I have the Queen of Swords and the King of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is a Ten of Swords. This is a situation that keeps on ending and then keeps on coming back, keeps on ending and that keeps on coming back, keeps on coming back. It is an on and off, in and out situation of your life. Okay, I do see a brand new beginning happening here between you and somebody. The feminine energy is very clear, very sharp, very cutthroat, like this is how it is and this is how it is going to be. I'm not going to make any kind of compromises here. The masculine energy is very mature, very grounded, very what should I say, stable, like financially as well maybe, but otherwise also this is a very mature, grounded and stable energy, the masculine energy here. And there's a really good chance of having a brand new beginning. But because of whatever keeps on happening between you guys again and again and again, coming together then falling apart, then coming together then falling apart, you guys are not going to have a very strong sense of you found your soulmate, or you guys are going to take it forward for the rest of your lives or something, right? So there is going to be a chance of starting to from the start with the past person. But again, both of you are going to take it like, okay, it might never work out, but let's try. There's a sense of defeat here. There's a sense of, I know it's never going to work out because it never had. So okay, let's see from the oracles what you guys have for this thing, for this past person, past situation. We have the stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. See, if you guys like feel from deep inside that this person and you have a strong potential to be together and you guys can make things work out, forget about what happened in the past. Don't allow the past to make a beautiful connection go sour or go down just because you had bad experience in the past, right? If you guys feel a connection, a bond with each other, if you guys can work things out, so stay optimistic and positive and take things slow in this situation. Try to make things work out with a positive mindset. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this situation for this month, Leo. I have the Four of Cups and the Three of Swords and the Four of Swords. Bottom of the deck is a Lovers. Make sure you are not getting involved in any kind of third party equations, whether it's a new person or a past person. Like, for example, you might be, you are single, so that's why you're doing. The person that you're getting connected to, they are connected with somebody else also. Even if they're saying that they are over that situation, but they are still attached to them in some way, shape, or form. Make sure you are not getting involved in any kind of third party or heartbreaking or being an option kind of energy in a situation, because it's going to be very, very painful for you to get out of those kind of situations if you are not going to take care of it properly the way you should be. This is like a warning message for you guys, Leo. Don't get yourself involved in a third party energy just because you feel like you still love this person, you still have emotions for them, you still want to be with them. Make sure they're completely single or they're completely out of the third party energies that they were involved with when you guys were not together, and then only take it forward, then only take it forward step by step, okay, by clearing the air with each other properly and honestly, by understanding each other's needs and desires from each other, and then move forward, okay. Otherwise it's going to be just making any kind of choice or decision based on infatuation only or attraction only, or just because you feel love towards somebody, is not going to be a good idea, because the situation keeps on falling apart and you know the reason very well. I don't know, I can't explain the reason to each and every Leo. You know the reason very well. Don't forget the reason, but don't make it a point that you are going to let the past come in the present moment again and again and again. Plus, don't get yourself involved in a situation where the other person is dealing with any kind of third party energy. They properly need to release that, get out of that situation, then only you should proceed further. If somebody is telling you, yeah, I'm on the verge of divorce or separation, I'm doing it, but they're still attached to that person, even if they're attached to that person only 10%, I think staying just friends or staying just in touch is a good idea rather than being in a full fledged relationship. If this is not applicable to you, then this is definitely not for you. Don't try to fit yourself into this like forcibly. Then the the final message for you is finances and career. Financial issues are affected in your love life right now. Maybe you should focus on your financial health also, while connecting or reconnecting with this person. Might be they are not up to that level of financial growth the way they should be. Might be you are not up to that level of financial growth the way you should be. So take care of your financial health also before you guys are going to make any kind of choices or decision regarding the situation of your life, right? So that thing should also be sorted properly. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Leo, will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.